Do you want to disable sensitive content on Twitter X? You can turn off sensitive content on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To disable sensitive content on Twitter X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're in Twitter X, tap on the profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now, a sliding menu will appear. From the menu, scroll down and tap Settings and Support. From the expanded menu, tap Settings and Privacy. A new screen will appear with different settings options. Scroll down and select Privacy and Safety from the options. Under Privacy and Safety, tap Content You See. From here, tap on Sensitive Media. Now, a new screen will appear with different options like graphic violence and adult content. From here, tap on the first option, Graphic Violence, and select Never Show This from the new screen. Once selected, go back to the previous screen and tap on Adult Content. On the new screen, again select Never Show This and press back. Lastly, tap on Other and again select Never Show This from here as well. Once you select Never Show This from all three categories, all the sensitive content will be hidden on your account.